Well, this is the new tender I just received, and we'll hit forward. Right about now, I should be saying ho ho ho, all aboard, and not a word. Obviously, the lights work fine, but there is no sound at all. It controls the engine just fine. But is completely muted. Turn it off, turn it on, nothing, nada. If I put my old tender on, this is what it should be doing. I'm not going to hook up the engine, no reason to. And I hit forward. So I don't know what to tell you, but this new tender I just got does not have any sound whatsoever. It's defective.